Let's start off with a question. If you have two bills due on the same day, but only have enough money to pay for one, which one are you going to pay on time and which one are you going to pay late? Let's take a closer look at each one of these bills. The first one is a phone bill. Your job requires you to be on call 24/7, so you absolutely have to have a phone. The other one is a credit card. You use it every day and must have it available at all times. You know your phone company and you know your credit card company and how they both work. So write your answer down on a piece of paper and the reason why you made your choice. And we will give you our answer and the reasons why at the end of this video. Did you ever get caught by surprise and come up short of money to pay a bill? Does this happen to you every month or maybe just every other month? This happens to all of us at one time or another. Bob and Mary are having lunch together at a coffee shop today. Let's listen in for a moment.
Hey Bob, you seem depressed to me.
Yeah, I am drowning in bills and need some help.
I have a solution. The Bill Juggler might help you.
The Bill Juggler?
Yes. The Bill Juggler is almost like a life jacket and can help you get your head above water again. Think of the Bill Juggler as a rescue boat that can help you get out of the deep water.
Using the Bill Juggler will allow you to decide what bill to pay and when to pay that bill based on your financial situation at the time. Wouldn't it be nice to get a good night's sleep knowing that the Bill Juggler is there to let you know if you are going to be short of cash or if you have free sailing in the coming months and even into the next year? Remember our question at the beginning of the video? You had a phone bill and a credit card bill due. Which one did you select to pay on time? We sure hope it was the credit card bill. If you're late with the phone bill, you will only maybe have to pay a late fee of between $5 and $7. But if you are late with your credit card, your late fee may be in the range of $30 to $35. Not only that, but they could charge you a cash advance fee. You are also going to pay interest on the amount that you were late, plus interest on the late fee. It would be much better to pay your credit card payment on time. Besides, neither company is going to cut your service for being a few days late anyway. We hope that you have enjoyed this short video on the Bill Juggler. If you would like to see exactly what the Bill Juggler can do for you, then click on the example download link in the description. The file is virus-free and has been checked thoroughly by our system, and the hosting site of the file has also gave their approval that the file is virus-free. There is also another link in the description that will take you directly to eBay, where you can purchase the Bill Juggler. Take control of your finances and get the Bill Juggler today. And this is how we say goodbye.